This video is about adrenergic drugs part 1. First drug we are going to see is noradrenaline. So it has the basic of catechol ring, that is this is the catechol ring, and this is the alkyl chain CH2 NHR and then CHOH, that is alkylamine side chain without methyl group, that is why it is called noradrenaline. Its chemical name is as follows: norepinephrine, it is minus alpha, within the bracket you write down aminomethyl 3,4 dihydroxybenzyl alcohol. It is uses, what we have to write is alpha beta agonists, and it is a endotransmitter, and it is useful in treating shock. These are the 4 points you have to write. First, the structure which I have shown, then the noradrenaline, otherwise called as norepinephrine, minus alpha aminomethyl 3,4 dihydroxybenzyl alcohol, and it is used is alpha beta 1 agonists. It is a endotransmitter and it is useful in treating shock. Second drug is epinephrine. It is sometimes called as adrenaline. It is minus 3,4 dihydroxy alpha methylamino methyl benzyl alcohol. So in many books they would be given different chemical name. No worries. So this also a correct form. So what is the uses? Acts on all alpha beta receptor. Beta activity is more than alpha. It decreases diastolic blood pressure with slow infusion. With the attack on with the binding on beta 2, it produces vasodilation, increases heart rate through binding with beta 1. Increased dose gives alpha 1 binding and causes vasoconstriction. It is useful in anaphylactic shock, angioedema, and it is also helps restores electrical activity of heart in defibrillation, in glaucoma also, and in preterm labor. Now the third drug we are going to study is phenylephrine hydrochloride. So they have given a different name. See, it is considered as a benzene methanol derivative, or otherwise benzyl alcohol derivative. Now we will follow one thing, that is metahydroxy alpha methylamino methyl benzyl alcohol. So this is the structure of phenylephrine hydrochloride. Now I shall tell about each thing. So first, metahydroxy. This is metahydroxy with respect to this functional group attached. Then alpha methyl amino. So, this is alpha position and we have methyl amino. So, I shall show you what is that methyl amino. So, this is methyl amino. Now, again methyl. So, this is methyl group. This is methyl group, or otherwise this is methyl group, and again benzyl alcohol. So, this is benzyl alcohol. So, I repeat the structure, that is, this is benzyl alcohol C6H5, CH is benzyl alcohol, and there is one methyl group at this position and methyl amino group in this position. So, all these are considered a different substituents, not a single substituent. That is why it is meta hydroxy alpha methyl amino methyl benzyl alcohol, methyl amino methyl benzyl alcohol. So, for this drug we have a synthesis. So, that is given here like meta hydroxy phenacyl bromide, meta hydroxy phenacyl bromide, that is given in this point, meta hydroxy phenyl acyl bromide. It is C6H4 OH COCH2Br. So, everything is same. So, only thing is instead of this part you have to write O CH2Br. So, I have deleted OH, I have deleted H and the remaining substituents. You have to write this structure. Then along with that, so you have methylamine and you get the intermediate compound C6H4 OH COCH2 NHCH3. Then it is on further catalytic hydrogenation you get phenylephrine. So, that is written here, meta hydroxy phenacyl bromide is condensed with methylamine and the carbonyl group is then reduced to give carbinol group via catalytic hydrogenation. Now, the uses. See, this is the phenylephrine and I have given you the chemical name as from the Remington's book. Now, the uses: to maintain blood pressure, nasal, scleroconjunctival, uveal decongestant. So, all related to ENT problems, nasal, nose and mouth, etc. Nasal decongestant, scleroconjunctival decongestant and uveal decongestant. It acts as a mydriatic agent, increases aqueous humor outflow and therefore it can be used in glaucoma. So, along with this spinal cord or local anesthesia, it can be given for some surgery or treating the this Now the third drug is, or the next drug is dopamine. You can see the structure. It is a catechol with ethylamine. Catechol with ethylamine. With the dopamine, the chemical name is 3,4 dihydroxy phenyl ethylamine. It acts on the dopamine receptor and alpha beta adrenergic receptor. It increases heart rate, contractility, and alpha activation brings vasoconstriction. That means it increases the blood pressure, and the dopamine D1 receptor produces vasodilation. So it is useful in treating the shock and it in inhalation, and it inhibits reabsorption of sodium and water from renal tubules. Therefore, it is useful in congestive heart failure, myocardial infarction, and heart failure. So, these are the agents that you have to write and study for this particular session.